Hi. This is MRB Animated. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, what do you know about Dogecoin? Let me explain you. Dogecoin was created as a joke to mimic the 2013 meme of a dog that went viral within months. Now, the digital currency with the face of a dog on it, has a total market cap of $2 billion. The currency was introduced in 2013, and in 2014, the total market cap of the coin was around 60 million, and in December 2017, 1 billion. Now, Binance has announced that it will list Dogecoin. The moment the news broke, the value of the altcoin surged with almost 40. The other reason for the increase in price is the support that the founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, expressed regarding the coin, tweeting, "I am very pro Dogecoin." So, is it the right time to buy Dogecoin? Well, personally, I think it's the right time to invest. And then it's a matter of time only. We have to wait and hope that it do wonders like Bitcoin. Choice is yours. Thank you for watching.